Hi everyone! Hi teachers! Hi classmates! I am Sophia Antoinette A. Reyes. And for today, I'm going to show you that we're going to discuss about a math presentation about triangles and parallelograms by me. This is presented to by teacher Jenna. So let's start! So here's the learning objectives. We can identify the parallelogram and triangle. We can identify the steps, solutions, and formula of the parallelogram and triangle. We can identify and answer the given problems of the parallelogram and triangle. So let's start discussing. So first, let us identify what is a parallelogram. So a parallelogram is a four-sided shape or quadrilateral where both pairs of opposite sides are parallel and equal in length. So let us define what's a triangle. A triangle is a polygon with three sides, three angles, and three vertices. It is one of the simplest and most important shapes in geometry. So, how can we solve and have the correct area of a parallelogram? So, here is the formula to answer it correctly. So, it says area equals base times height. So, we have to multiply the given base and the given height. So, after doing that, we can have the answer. And we should make it in centimeter squared or meter squared. How to solve the correct area of a triangle? So here's a formula. We have to always know what's the formula. So it says area equals base times height. So we have to multiply the given base and height again, and we have to divide it by 2. So after doing this, we can have the answer, and we should put it in centimeter squared or meter squared. So here we have a sample problem of how we can solve a parallelogram. So let's go ahead and read this sample problem. So it says the ice cream cone box or holder was broken and the workers wanted to buy a new parallelogram shaped box or holder for it. If the box or holder is 26 centimeter and the height is 10 centimeter, what is the total area of the ice cream box or holder? So, remember that the formula is area equals base times height. So, the given base is 26 centimeters and the given height is 10 centimeters. So, 26 times 10 equals 260 centimeters squared. So here's my solution on how I get 260 meters squared. So here's another sample problem on how to solve a triangle. So let's go ahead and read this sample problem. The ice cream truck needed more triangular ice cream cones to give to the customers. If the base of the cones is 5 centimeter and the height is 12 centimeter, what's the total area of the ice cream cones? So the formula is area equals base times height divided by 2. So the given base is 5 centimeters and the given height is 12 centimeters. So 5 times 12 equals 60. Here's my solution on how I get 60. So 60 divided by 2 is 30 centimeters squared. So here we have a final answer. And here's my solution on how I got 30 centimeters squared. So thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed this discussion and I hope you learned something new. Bye everyone! See you next time! Bye!